Good morning. My name is Adrian. I'm a rising sophomore at Success Academy High School of Liberal Arts, and this is my floor cleaning robot. Currently, I just showed you a demonstration of both my motors being able to run, and the reason why these motors need to run is because they allow my robot to move as well as do its job. This part right here is known as the Arduino. The Arduino is the most essential part of the robot because it's pretty much the brains of the robot, and it allows it to take in code as well as to be powered to move because it is the brains. The next part of the robot right here is the motor driver. This is, in my opinion, the second most important part of the robot because it allows for the motors to be able to move as well as change speeds as well as direction, which will be essential when my robot has to clean floors. The next part right here is this power source, which is a battery pack, as well as my power bank right here because we need both power sources in order to power the Arduino as well as the motors themselves. My building process was first getting to build my chassis because I needed my chassis to hold everything in place for my robot. The next part was attaching the two motors right here, which at first were pretty flimsy, but with bolts I was able to make them secure. The next was attaching this front wheel as well as the spacers right here. And after that, I had to get the power source, which is this battery pack right here, as well as the motor driver and the Arduino. Some issues that I faced was getting the wiring correct because I didn't know which wires went into which when it came to the battery pack, as well as which wires to plug in for my Arduino because without the correct wiring, my robot would not move. Another issue that I faced was having wires breaking on me constantly because in the motor driver, these wires in both outputs, they would break and fall off easily, and these wires are directly connected to the motors, which are down here. And if those wires broke, the motor was not able to run, which caused the wheels to stop. The next challenge that I faced was being able to get my Arduino to run. I had an issue where my Arduino, the coding part of it was not ready. So I wasn't able to test both of my wheels. But after I got that up and running, both of my wheels were able to move, which I will show you now. My next steps for building is being able to attach my sensors to the robot because at the end, when my robot is ready to start cleaning floors, I will need sensors on it so that it won't crash into walls and places and stuff like that, and so that it can detect obstacles so it can avoid them. My next step is to attach a switch so that I don't have to constantly plug in my power bank to the Arduino so that it can run, and instead I can get a more efficient way to turn it on. Once again, my name is Adrian. I'm a rising sophomore, and thank you for watching my video.